Hello friends, I am Dr. Kherva Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Automation Robotics, SIT College of Engineering, Gadrock, Chalkaranji, Kolhapur district. Today I am going to present on the topic Flexible Manufacturing System. The sequence of presentation. So first we have to introduction to Flexible Manufacturing System, integrating the FMS component, handling system, advantage of FMS, application of FMS. So flexible manufacturing system. So it is highly automated group technology machine cells. It consists of multiple processing stations and data numerical control. And all the cells are interconnected with each other, and data are controlled by a central computer system. FMS is capable of processing a variety of different part style simultaneously by using NC program control at different workstation. FMS relies on the principle of group technologies. So in a FMS is designed the product produced part with different range, style and sizes. In other words, FMS is capable of producing single part family or limited range of the part families. FMS vary in terms of number of machines tool. If the machines tool is less, than it is known as FMS, FMC, flexible machine cells. And if the machine cells is more than it is known as FMS. So it is can be means categorized by using if number of machines tool more than 5, then it is known as FMS. But if the machines tools or component is less than 3, then it is known as FMC. So in automated manufacturing system, FMS is capability to process different part style in a non-batch mode, accept changes in production schedule, respond gracefully to equipment malfunction and breakdown in the system, accommodate the introduction of the new part design. So that are the means that is the capability of FMS. So integrating the FMS component can be classified in three different categories. So first is hardware component, second is the software component, and third is human labor. So in case of hardware component, it consists of different workstation, material handling system, material inspection systems, and loading unloading system, conveyor system. So all comes in the hardware component. So a central chip convert system is often installed below the floor level. So by using the hardware component, we have to load unload the component. By using conveyor system, we have to transfer from the one place to another place. Inspections, we have to test the produced component, and different other hardware component. FMS software and control functions. So the machines runs on the program of the sequence of the program. So we have to need some software. So every machine has to install the program of the instruction software and controlled by the central computer system. Human labor. Basically, the FMS is fully automatic, but we have to need some human labor because we have to monitor loading and unloading of the component or parts in the machines tool, changing and setting the cutting tools, maintenance and repair of the equipment, NC programming and operating of the computer sense system. So all those work performed by the human labor. Handling system. So FMS is having five different handling system: inline loop, inline handling system, loop system, ladder system, open field handling system, and robo centered cells. So in case of inline layout, the component or parts transferred from one place to one cells to another cells by using conveyor belt, and it is the two direction process. In case of loop system, we have to means transfer the component any cells, means it not follow the sequence. We have to change the sequence. In case of ladder is the rugs of the ladder, means When the first company is when the first job is completed, then we have to transfer to second later, then third later, and so on. Open field layout means that is the most complex FMS system. In this type of layout, we have to perform the different task in one cells. So in all those system, we are uses automated vehicle loading and unloading stations, robot centered FMS system. So in FMS in robot centered FMS system, we are using lower robot by using bar or using loading, unloading, some inspection and packaging process. Means robot is perform the task. Advantage of FMS. So higher utilization of the machines tool than conventional machine tool, because better work handling, offline setups, and improved scheduling utilizes the machines. Reduced working process due to continuous production rather than the batch production. Lower manufacturing lead times, greater flexibility in production scheduling due to automation. Due to automation, the product can be produced very quickly. FMS is very flexible system. We can change the variety of the component over the time or very quickly. And due to automated system, it will reduce the labor cost. Application of FMS. FMS manufacturing typically used for mid volume, mid variety production. A part or product is made in high quantities, so with no style variation, then transfer line or similar dedicated manufacturing is the most appropriate. If the part volume is low but part variety is very high, then NC machine tool are used. The figure shows the part variety and part volume. In case of part variety is higher, then we are using NC machine tool. But in case of in case of the part volume is more, than we are using flexible manufacturing system in transfer line. That are the some industrial application of the FMS: metal cutting, metal forming, assembly operations, joining and welding, surface treatment, inspection, testing. So that is the different flexible manufacturing automated industries. So every machines to perform different tasks at a simultaneously. Thank you.